Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're my subscriber, if you've subscribed already, thank you very much. If you're yet to subscribe, thank you too. Please subscribe. If you come across this video and it appeals to you in any way, please subscribe and hit on little notification bell so you can be able to get notifications of my new videos as soon as it drops. So today I got this is classic. They are pigmented classic makeup lip gloss. They are pigmented lip gloss. So I just got like, I don't know, you can see it, I just got like six colors that actually interest me. These are the colors that appeal to me, including their clear lip gloss. So I want to see if they got it right. This one is clear. I want to see if they got it right. Most clear lip glosses that are just too watery, and it's not even a little bit thick. So I'm going to start with this one. Look at it. Even if you can't see it, it's a classic. Even if you can't see it, I will drop everything on my notification box. So I'll start with this one. I don't know what my top is doing. No. Oh, please pardon me and my top. Please pardon us. So I'll start with this one. It doesn't have a name actually. I think it's LG05. It's LG05. It's just numbers. So let me open it. Okay. Then on my lips for you guys. Wow, this is nice. Can you see it? Can you see? And it's thick. It's thick and very pigmented. Can you see? It's giving that pink vibe, and it's actually not that. It's actually not that expensive. Look at it. This is nice. This is their color 505. This is what is written 05. This classic pigmented lip gloss. This 05. Wow, this is lovely. Let me try it on that one for us. This is my channel. It's your shoe. Okay. Wow, classic. Thumbs up. This one is orange in color. This is their 09. They just write it. They just label it as LG09. I think it's lip gloss 09. They are classic makeup lip gloss. Yeah, glamorous, ultra shiny, delicious, vinyl. Let's go there. Wow, it's actually pigmented. Can you see it? It's nice. Just that you have to, you have to apply it more than once for it to actually project. But it's projecting. Yeah, look at it. It's orange on my lips. For the amount I got this for, this is really look at it, orange, and it's nice, and it's very good for women of color. It's very good. Look at it. Wow. Okay, let's try another one. This one is LGO2. That is how they labeled it. It's not me. Let me open it. LGO2. It's thick, like it's thick. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. This is lovely. This and it's a lip gloss, pigmented lip. Look at this. For the amount, this is nice. Like, I'm giving this, sorry, but I'm going to, for the amount and for how it's performing, I'm going to give this, I'm sorry, I'm going to give it a 10 over 10. For the amount, for how nice it is and everything. Okay, I've not worn it out, so I'm going to give it an 8, okay, or 9. If I wear it out, then I can be able to know. But trust me, this is, it's not going in. This is, look at it. Look at it. It's, no, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This one I just applied is their O2, that is their color 2. Let me try another one. Remember, I got 6 interesting colors. 6 colors that really interested me so much. So, this one. Let me try this one. This one is giving me Ruby Woo vibes. So, let me try this one. This one is their LG12. That is their color 12. Let me try. Wow, opening this thing is not easy. That's not really what it is anyway. It's not as, it's not coming out as red as I thought it would. I was thinking it was going to be, you know, very, very red like Ruby Woo. But look at it. It's just, it's nice. It's nice, but compared to the others, this LG12 for now, compared to the other 3 colors, this LG12, it's I thought it was going to, look at it, I thought it was going to like matte project like red, you know, like the other ones really matte projected. But it's okay. It's okay. For the price, it's still okay. It's not bad. For the price, it's not bad. So let's try another wonderful one. I think I'll try the clear last. So let me try this one. This one is purple color, LG11. This one, it's, can you see the purple? Just like the red, just like this one. This one is, can you see? He's doing his best. It's projecting. This one projected more than this one, sir. It's nice. Like, you can see the purple, right? And it's nice. Like, it's thick. It's not light, you know. It's also, see, it's not gummy. It's not gummy. I don't think it's going to produce all those horrible white lines, but till I wear it out anyway. But this is nice. It's very, very nice. Like, for the amount, this is nice. Guys, get this if you can. Then let me now try their clear. Don't worry, I might still get more of these lip glosses, more of these their colors, and still try it out another day. This is their clear lip gloss. This one is their, which color? 1. Wow, and they don't have any smell. Like, they smell very good. Look at clear, like clear. This is, guys, this is nice. Like, really, really nice. Look at them. Sorry, I'm picking them up. Please. Look at them. Look at them. I got 6 colors. This is the last one, which is this, clear. And no smell. It smells, guys, they smell so nice. There's not, there are some lip glosses that there's this funny smell. I don't know if you've noticed, there's this funny smell, and it's always very watery. Like, if you apply, before you know it, it's already dripping down. This is not like it. This is soft, and for the price, this is very, very nice. I think this goes between anyway, I don't know, just get it yourself. But it's very nice. It's not that pricey, you know. It's not that pricey. It's very, very, very nice. And look at it. Even students can use this. Anybody can. This is very, very, very nice. This is very, if you're a lip gloss lover, pigmented or anything, and you're on a budget, this will do. These colors, at least you've seen it on me, and it's very, very good on women of color. Yeah, on dark skinned women. Yeah, it looks good for everybody anyway, depending. It projects for us, so it will project better on other colors. See, these are the colors I got, and they are nice. Look at them. They are nice. All of them, they mad project. So thank you. Like I said, if you come across this content and it appeals to you in any way, please subscribe. Please hit on the notification bell so you get our videos. Share, comment, like. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching, and thank you for still, you know, for my existing subscribers, thank you for still staying on. Please stay safe. I love you. Love yourself. Till next time.